Remember when the possibilities of cloud computing seemed endless? The apartment industry would finally realize the dream of a paperless leasing office with near limitless online storage, user-friendly file management, reduced overhead costs, and anytime, anywhere access to files from any device. Gone would be the days of printing, distributing, collecting, and storing the towering stacks of paper that make up the leasing process. But what did we really end up with? Lofty enterprise solutions that do little to actually make renting easier for apartment managers and today's renters. And generic commercial solutions that offer decent usability, but fail to take into account the unique needs of the multifamily industry. We were stuck with storage quotas, file mismanagement, sky-high IT budgets, and access limitations that still left us tied to our desks and buried in paperwork. The typical leasing office keeps over 60 sheets of paper on file for every renter living at the community. Lease forms, inspection forms, application forms, and just more forms. Multiply that by the number of renters living at an average-sized community, and things really start to add up. Not to mention all the brochures, pamphlets, and guest cards for prospective renters. And don't forget archival storage for renters that have long since moved out. Add to that all the files saved locally on computers, and you have a disastrous mix that leads to the perfect storm of office clutter and confusion. Well, the winds of change are blowing. Meet CloudFile, the apartment industry's first real cloud storage solution. CloudFile takes all the offline stuff associated with your leasing operation, typically stored in filing cabinets and saved on computers, and puts it all online. Every shred of paper and byte of data is now at your fingertips. Once you upload files to CloudFile for storage, you can access and manage them from anywhere, from any smartphone, tablet, or desktop. You'll never lose a file again using CloudFile's built-in file search. CloudFile is pre-configured for multifamily operations, including folders for your company, regions, communities, units, and residents. Permissions and rights for your users within CloudFile are based on existing roles within your company. Transferring communities from one company to another is a breeze when your entire leasing history and related documentation are in the cloud. Audits are just as easy thanks to the high-level visibility that CloudFile gives you into community operations. Best of all, CloudFile works seamlessly with other on-site products, including our online rental applications, automated lease documents, and e-sign electronic signatures. Finally, there is a solution that makes the dream of cloud computing for the apartment industry a reality. It's CloudFile from On-Site.